What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some more makeup, and I think today I want to be a little girly, I guess. I mean, I don't know, y'all. We're just going to go with the flow, but I want to just do like a glittery, shimmery, frosty, pretty, girly makeup look. So that is what we're gonna go for today. Are we gonna accomplish it? I don't know. You're just gonna have to wait and see. But I did pull some products that I feel like I can accomplish this look with. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I did do my brows already off camera, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm using the iconic London Underglow Blurring Primer. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. This is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. All right, lids are primed. So let's go ahead and jump into eyeshadow. I'm gonna try to use my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. I like this palette, it's pretty, but I do find it a little bit difficult to use just for me, like on a regular basis. I don't know, the shades are just not, I don't know. So we're gonna try to use it today. So I'm gonna start off with this shade here, Mesh. I'm just gonna kind of apply that in the crease and all over the lid. I mean, the shades are like neutral, but I feel like it still might be just a little too cool toned for me. Like, not that I don't like cool tones, I just gravitate more towards warm tones. And I feel like this palette is definitely leans more cool. That's why I bought the I Need a Warm palette. On that same brush, I'm gonna take this color here, Vogue, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well, just for a little warmth, because I need some warmth. It's not a super warm shade, but we need some warmth, honey. Something just fell out of a tree. I don't know what it was, but I heard it. I'm gonna take this shade here, Tender, and I'm gonna put that like on the outer corner. So for the lid, I'm gonna take this color here, Mia, and I'm gonna tap this on dry first and see how it looks. I don't have any glitter glue or anything on my lids, but I'm just gonna tap this on dry first, and then if I need to go back and spray it, then I will. I mean, I don't think I need to spray that. I don't think I'm gonna spray it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, because I still want it to be, you know, a little bit soft. I'm gonna go back in with Tender, the outer corner shade, and just kind of blend that together. I only picked up a little bit though, just so there's not a harsh line right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this other shade, Hello Sheen. I'm gonna take that on my finger and just kind of like pop it right on top. Just, you know, just a little extra something right on top, and only like in the middle. For the actual inner corner, I am gonna put on like an inner corner highlight, but I kind of want to put like a matte shade. Is that weird? Do people do that? Yeah, I kind of want to put like a matte shade, like just right here, you know? So I'm gonna take this shade Fair, and I'm gonna put that right there. We're gonna see what that looks like. We're gonna see what that looks like. Oh, it's very light, very light. Way lighter than I expected. What are they doing? Yeah. Okay. All right, next, I'm just gonna do a little shadow wing. A little shadow wing. Oh, excuse me. And I'm gonna take this shade Silhouette right here. We're just gonna do a little wing, just a little one. And I'm just kind of like, I'm literally just stamping it on. And then I just wing it out once I get out here. So fairly simple. On a tiny blender brush, I'm just gonna go back in with that shade Tender that I used already on my outer corner. And I'm just gonna blend the wing just a tiny bit, like just a little bit. I'm just gonna blend this out back here. Just a little bit. I'm gonna leave the eyes here as far as eyeshadow goes. I am gonna go ahead and apply my mascara though. And then we will come back and do the rest of the face and the lower lash line. Okay, mascara is on, so let's move on to the face. We already did our primer, so I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the Patrick Ta. For contour, I'm gonna use my Patrick Ta, what is this? Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. This is in the shade She's Chiseled. So I'm just gonna take the top cream shade first, and we're gonna do some contour. I don't use this hardly enough, but it's nice. What are they doing? I'm gonna contour my nose with the same shade. Just very lightly, because I am terrible at contouring my nose, so we don't want to use a lot. You don't want to use a lot. So for blush, I think I'm going to use this Nudestix blush. This is a Nudies all over face color. This is in the shade Naughty and Spice, which I feel like the name is like perfect for the holiday time. But it just looks like this. It's just like a pink, like a soft pink. I don't know. I don't feel like I've ever used this one. It's cut like that because I had it in my freelance kit, and so I just cut the tip off and smashed it like into a little palette. So I haven't like used this, I don't feel like, on my face, but we're gonna try it. It looks pretty. It looks pretty. And then we're gonna take some on the tip of the nose. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tower 28 concealer because I want it to be bright. I feel like this is the brightest concealer that I have. Like, this concealer is bright as hell, but that's what I want today. So it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and set my under eyes with my One Size powder in Ultra Pink. I like to press this in like all the way first, and then I'll go back and like bake just a tiny bit. All right, we're gonna let it cook for a minute. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. I don't know why, but I just like recently fell back in love with this powder. I hadn't used it in a long time, but I don't know what it was. I just fell back in love. Now we're going to set our contour with the powder side of the Patrick top. I'm gonna dust off this excess powder. Now, I'm just going to like set my blush. I'm gonna use my Dior palette, and I'm just gonna take this Frosty shimmery like pink. It's like my highlighter, but I'm using it to set my blush. I will put more highlighter on though, but we're gonna use these for our blush today. Oop, gotta hit the nose. Just for like another little, I don't know, kind of finishing touch, I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass powder, just like all over my face pretty much. Cause like I said, I wanna be nice and glowy. But this powder is like so soft. So I'm just taking it, you know, kind of in areas where I set my face with my regular powder. I'm just gonna take it just to give me, you know, like an all over, just a very subtle all over glow. Like it's very, very subtle. So I'm gonna go back in with my Dior, and I'm gonna use my usual combo of the white and this like gold, but yeah, I want it to be a little frosty, I guess, you know, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my cheeks, although it does already look like I have highlighter on because I put on that like the blush, so it's not anything too spectacular. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a layer of setting spray, and then we're gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna take this shade Tinder that I've been using like on my outer corner and stuff, and I'm gonna buff that under my lash line. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that Dior palette, and I'm gonna take the white shade and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Okay, you guys, I think we're about done. Now we just need to do the lips. I think I'm gonna do a nude lip, of course, but I want it to be like shimmery. So I'm gonna go in with my Bark lip liner from Vieve. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with MAC. Thanks, it's MAC. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with Fenty Sweet Mouth because it's just like this light pink frosty color, but I feel like a mauve would be pretty too. I'm just gonna stick with what I was gonna do. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. Final layer of setting spray. I think I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. I think that I'm feeling nice and cute and pretty. Oh, somebody's having a meltdown. I feel like this is very frosty, pretty, you know, sugar plum fairy snow princess vibes. So I feel like it's still nice for a holiday, very wintry, very glittery. Well, it's not too glittery. It's not too much, but I think I did what I wanted to do. So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Wear my glasses. I like to put my glasses on so that I can, like, this is what it really looks like, because obviously I need my glasses. I need my glasses on, y'all. So yeah, and then, you know, for girls out there who wear glasses, you can still wear makeup. Just because you have glasses on, that doesn't mean, you know, your makeup is like all covered up and stuff. You can still put some makeup on, girls. So gotta have something for the glasses wearers. Ugh, these little things though drive me nuts. So, all right, here is the look with the glasses on. Okay, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I think I'm gonna take my hair down though. This bun is giving me a headache. So anyways, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.